For each of the differential equations given in exercises 1 to 12, find a general solution. First problem, dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. So, when we compare this with the linear differential equation, we can say this is of the first form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. That is dy by dx, sorry, so which is nothing but dy by dx plus p into y. The p should be either constant or function of x. So, dy by dx plus p of x, generally function of x means we can write p of x into y is equals to q of x. Here our p of x function is nothing but p is constant function 2 and q of x is nothing but sin x. So, for this first we have to find out the integrating factor. So, our integrating factor is nothing but e power integration of p dx. So, integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx excuse me. So, which is equals to e to the power of integration of p dx is 2 dx. So, which is equals to e to the power of 2 is constant function, integration of dx is x, e power x. So, integrating factor is nothing but e to the power of x. So, we found integrating factor. Now, next our solution is nothing but y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor is e power x is equals to integration of q function. Q is nothing but sin x. Sin x into e to the power of, sorry, here 2x it is. We have e power 2 dx. So, e power 2x here, e power 2x. So, y into e to the power of 2x is equals to integration of sin x into e power 2x dx. Now, we have to find out integration of sin x e power 2x. So, to find integration of sin x dx, which method we will follow? This is product of two functions integration. So, we have to solve by integration by parts method. So, for that let me consider I is equals to integration of e power 2x into sin x dx. So, for that method we have to select what is u and what is dv. So, u is e power 2x, the selection is by the method of isolate, and dv is sin x dx. So, u integration, sorry, differentiation e power 2x to e power 2x dx, and for dv we should do integration. So, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Constant all together at the end we can add excuse me. So, uv, now uv is nothing but e power 2x into v is minus cos x minus integration of v du, integration of, this is I is equals to, I am starting, integration of v du minus cos x. So, negative will become plus here, du 2 e power 2x dx. So, again this is minus e power 2x cos x, 2 can be taken outside, twice integration of cos x e power 2x dx. I is equals to, now I is equals to, the first part is integration is done, minus e power 2x cos x. Now, coming to second part, 2 times of, now again for the cos x e power 2x form we follow the by parts method. So, uv minus integration of v du, u will be e power 2x. So, uv e power 2x is u, v is integration of dv, dv is cos x dx. So, v is integration of cos x which is sin x. So, e power 2x sin x minus integration of v, v is again sin x, and du, du is, u is e power 2x, du is 2 e power 2x dx. So, now this part I is equals to minus e power 2x cos x plus my second one is 2 e power 2x sin x minus, here one 2 is there, this 2 can be taken outside twice. Now outside one 2, 2 2s are 4 here, minus 4 into integration of sin x e power 2x dx. So integration of sin x e power 2x dx is nothing but I. So this is 4i. So finally I will add one c here. So now 4i is there. Let me bring this 4i here. So I will get 5i. So 5i is equals to, we are having minus e power 2x cos x plus 2 e power 2x sin x plus c. We considered this one as I. So 5i is this one. Therefore I value is, so final solution is y e power 2x is equals to integration of this part. Integration of this one is, this one we considered as I, and 5i is this value. Therefore I is nothing but 1 by 5 of whole these things. So 1 by 5 of, let me write the positive one first, 2 e to the power of 2x sin x minus e to the power of 2x cos x plus c by 5. C by 5 is again one constant plus c. Now overall we divide by e power 2x, therefore y is equals to 1 by 5 of e power 2x will get cancelled here, 2 sin x minus e power 2x cancel cos x plus c divided by e power 2x, which is nothing but c e power minus 2x. Second problem, dy by dx plus 3y is equals to e power minus 2x, which is the first form. So dy by dx plus py, p of x into y I can write, that is p is function of x or constant, is equals to q of x form, where p is equals to here 3 and q is equals to e power minus 2x. So our first step is to, we have to find out the integrating factor. So integrating factor for this form is e to the power of integration of p dx 3 dx, which is e power 3 into integration of dx is x 3x. So our integrating factor is e power 3x. Now solution is nothing but y into integrating factor, y into e to the power of 3x is equals to integration of excuse me, e power q, e power minus 2x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power of 3x dx. So this one integration of e power minus 2x into e power 3x is nothing but e to the power of x dx. Now e power x integration is e power x itself. So y e power 3x is equals to e power x plus c, or we can divide throughout by e power 3x. Y is equals to e power x divided by e power 3x is e power x minus 3x, e power minus 2x plus c e power minus 3x. Third problem, dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. This can be written as dy by dx plus 1 by x of y is equals to x square. So we can find that this is in the first order form, that is dy by dx plus py, that is dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q, where p is equals to 1 by x and q is equals to x square. So both p and q are function of x. So first form, so our integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p of x dx, e power integration of 1 by x dx, that is dx by x, which is nothing but log mod x, e power log mod x is nothing but e power log x is x. So integrating factor is just x. Now the solution is nothing but y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor is x is equals to integration of q function, q is x square into integrating factor is x dx, that is integration of x cube dx, which is equals to x power 4 by 4 plus c. So yx is equals to x power 4 by 4 plus c, or y is equals to x power 4 by x cube by 4 plus c by x or cx power minus 1 or c by x only we can write. Fourth problem, dy by dx plus secant x into y is equals to tan x. So, we can observe this is in the form of first order linear equation, linear differential equation. So, comparing with dy by dx plus p of y, p into y is equals to q of function of x. Our p value is here secant x, p of x is secant x and q of x is tan x. So, our first step is to find out the integrating factor. So, integrating factor for this model is nothing but e power integration of p dx, which is e to the power of integration of secant x dx. Now, integration of secant x is nothing but log mod secant x plus tan x. So, e power log of any function is the function itself. Therefore, our integrating factor is nothing but secant x plus tan x. Now, solution is y into integrating factor y of secant x plus tan x is equals to integration of q function. Q function is tan x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is secant x plus tan x dx, which is equals to integration of secant x tan x plus integration of secant x tan x dx plus integration of tan square x dx. Excuse me. So, which is equals to integration of secant x tan x is nothing but secant x. Now, coming to second part, integration of tan square x. So, integration of tan square x, we can write tan square x as integration of tan square x dx. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 identity. Now, integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of 1 dx is x. Constant term all together we can add at the end. Now, first part integration is secant x tan x integration secant x plus integration of tan square x integration, that is integration of tan square x dx is tan x minus x all together plus c. So, excuse me, y of secant x plus tan x is equals to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c is the solution for the given linear differential equation. Fifth problem, cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. First rearrange the terms. Let us divide throughout the equation by cos square x. So, we will get dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x into y is equals to tan x divided by cos square x. Now, we can compare this equation with the first order linear differential equation. While comparing, we can know that p of x is nothing but, that is p function is 1 by cos square x, which is secant square x, and q function is tan x by cos square x. Tan x by cos square x is tan x into 1 by cos square x is secant square x. So, q is tan x into secant square x. So, it is in the first order linear differential equation. Solution for this is, we have to find first integrating factor. So, integrating factor is nothing but e power integration of p dx. Integrating factor e power integration of p dx. P of x is secant square x dx. Excuse me. Integration of secant square x is tan x. So, e to the power of tan x is our integrating factor. Now, solution, y into integrating factor y into e power tan x is equals to integration of q function. Q function is tan x into secant square x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power tan x into dx. Now we have to solve this integration. So to solve this integration, let us assume tan x as t. So when we assume tan x as t, secant square x dx will become dt. That is this part. Secant square x dx is dt. So the given integration will change as integration of tan x is t. Secant square x dx is dt. E power tan x is e power t. So the given function is t integration of t e power t dt form it changed. Now this integration we can solve by product rule applying by parts method. So uv, so here u will be t, uv minus integration of v du will follow Eilert rule. So in the Eilert rule, this is our algebraic function and e is exponential function. So since algebraic function is in the beginning, we will consider u as t and e power t dt as v. Now uv, this whole thing is dv. Now uv, t into integration of e power t dt, which is e power t, minus integration of v du, v is e power t, du is integration of differentiation of t, which is 1, so dt. So this answer t e power t minus integration of e power t is e power t altogether plus one constant c. So now t is nothing but tan x. Therefore this integration is, our left hand side is for the solution y e power tan x excuse me is equals to, now the integration value, this is in terms of t, t is nothing but tan x. So tan x into e power t, e power tan x minus e power t, e power tan x plus c. E power tan x we can divide throughout. So if we divide throughout by e power tan x, y is equals to, first term e power tan x get cancelled, tan x minus e power tan x gets cancelled 1 plus c into e power minus tan x. Sixth problem, x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. Let us try to bring in the first form. So we divide throughout by x, we will get dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equals to x log x. Dividing by x, it will become x log x. So now comparing with the first order linear differential equation, our p value is 2 by x and our q value is x log x. Therefore our integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx, which is e power integration of p is 2 by x dx, which is equals to 2 outside, e power 2 into integration of dx by x, which is log mod x, and this can be written as e to the power of log x square, which is nothing but x square. Therefore our integrating factor is nothing but x square. Now the solution for this is y into integrating factor, y into x square is equal to integration of q function, q is x log x into integrating factor is x square dx. So yx square is equals to integration of x cube into log x dx, x log x into x square dx. So yx square is equals to integration of x cube log x dx. Now let us integrate this part by product rule by the method of by parts. So for that integration of x cube log x dx, let me consider by Eilert rule, logarithmic function is the first function algebraic is next. So u function is log x. So du will be 1 by x dx. dv function is x cube dx. So v is equals to x power 4 by 4. Now the integration part is uv x power 4 by 4 of log x minus integration of v du x power 4 by 4 into 1 by x dx. So the second part integration is, this is the integration of 1 by 4 can be taken outside. X power 4 by x is x cube. So x cube integration is x to the power of 4 divided by 4. So the final answer x power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 16 of x power 4. So can write here yx square is equals to, this is equals to integration of x cube log x dx is nothing but x to the power of 4 by 4 log x minus x to the power of 4 by 16, altogether one constant c. Therefore, y is equals to, dividing throughout by x square, you can write this one as x square by 4 log x minus, we are dividing by x square. So this is again x square by 16 plus c x to the power of minus 2. So if you want, you can take x square by 4 as common outside. So when we take x square by 4 outside, this will become, first term is log x, second term is minus 1 by 4 plus cx power minus 2. Seventh problem, x log x dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 by x log x. So we will arrange the terms. We can write this given differential equation as dy by dx plus, that is dividing throughout by x log x, 1 by x log x into y is equals to 2 by x log x divided by 1 by x log x. Sorry, 2 by x log x divided by x log x. So this part log x will get cancelled and we will get 2 by x square. So it is differential equation, linear equation form of first case. So comparing this with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, our p value is nothing but function of x into y. So p is 1 by x log x and q is function of x, which is 2 by x square. So we found it is first form. We have to find out the integrating factor. So our integrating factor is nothing but e power integration of p dx, which is e to the power of integration of, my p function is 1 by x log x. So which is dx by x log x. Now for this integration, when we consider log x as t, 1 by x dx is dt. So it is integration of dt by t, which is log mod t, but t is log x. So this integration is e to the power of log mod log x. So e power log of any function is the function itself. So our integrating factor is log x. Now after finding integrating factor, our solution is y into integrating factor. So y into integrating factor is log x, y log x is equals to integration of q function, q is 2 by x square into integrating factor dx, integrating factor is log x dx. Now this part is 2, we can take, let me consider only this integration part and we evaluate this integration. This integration is nothing but, we can keep 2 outside. So we need integration of log x into x to the power of minus 2 dx. Here 2 is there outside. So log x to the power of minus 2 dx integration can be done by product rule. So in the product rule, integration of uv, which is nothing but, that is integration of u function into v function is uv minus integration of v du. So in this u is we consider our u function as log x. So when u function is log x, our du will be 1 by x dx, and we consider dv as x to the power of minus 2 dx. So v is integration of x power minus 2, which is nothing but x to the power of minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 by minus 1. Now we substitute these values. uv, so u is log x, v is minus 1 by x. So minus 1 by x log x uv minus integration of v du. Integration of v is minus 1 by x, so outside will become plus 1 by x of differentiation of u. Differentiation of u we got 1 by x dx. So this integration part is again 1 by x square, that is x power minus 2. So x power minus 2 integration again x to the power of minus 1 by minus 1. So the final answer minus 1 by x log x minus 1 by x. Excuse me. Therefore, this integration part is nothing but 2 times of minus 1 by x log x, here I will add plus c. So 2 times of minus 1 by x log x minus 1 by x plus c. And our left hand side we have y log x. 8th problem, 1 plus x square of dy plus 2xy dx is equals to cot x dx. First let us arrange and write, dividing throughout by 1 plus x square and dx. So we will get dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y, dx will get cancelled, is equals to cot x divided by 1 plus x square and dx will get cancelled. Now it is the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where our p is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square excuse me, and q is equals to cot x by 1 plus x square. Now let us find out the integrating factor. So our integrating factor is nothing but e to the power of integration of p dx, which is 2x dx by 1 plus x square. Now if I consider 1 plus x square as t, 2x dx is dt. So it is dt by t, which is nothing but integration of dt by t is log mod t. E to the power of log of t is 1 plus x square we assumed. Therefore, integrating factor is nothing but e power log of any function is the function itself 1 plus x square. Integrating factor is only 1 plus x square. Now solution, y into integrating factor, y into 1 plus x square is equals to integration of q function. Q function is cot x divided by 1 plus x square into integrating factor 1 plus x square dx. So 1 plus x square gets cancelled. Integration of cot x dx. So integration of cot x is nothing but log mod sin x plus c. Therefore, this is y into 1 plus x square, or we can give solution as y is equals to log mod sin x into 1 plus x square whole power minus 1 plus c into 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. 9th problem, x dy by dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x is equal to 0. So let us arrange the given differential equation first. So we will write this one as x dy by dx plus y plus xy cot x is equal to x. Now divide throughout by x. So we will get dy by dx plus 1 by x into y plus, here dividing by x, x will get cancelled, y into cot x is equals to 1. Now dy by dx plus taking y common outside, y into 1 by x plus cot x is equals to 1. So it is the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where our p is nothing but excuse me, P is equals to 1 by x plus cot x and the q value is 1. So now to find the integrating factor, we need e to the power of p dx, that is integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx, which is equals to e to the power of integration of p function is 1 by x plus cot x into dx, e to the power of 1 by x dx, dx by x is log mod x plus integration of cot x dx is log mod sin x. Now e power log a plus log b, so which is e to the power of log ab, e power log x sin x. So e power log x sin x is nothing but x sin x. So our integrating factor is x sin x. We got integrating factor, therefore our solution is nothing but y into integrating factor, that is y into x sin x is equals to integration of q into, q function is 1 into integrating factor x sin x dx. Now we can integrate x sin x dx by product rule. So by product rule, uv consideration, x is u, sin x dx is dv. So by applying product rule, uv, u is x, v is integration of dv. So integration of sin x is minus cos x, uv minus integration of v du, v is minus cos x into du, du is differentiation of x which is dx. So minus x cos x, minus into minus here plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So xy sin x, or we can say even y is equals to minus x cos x by x sin x. So x will get cancelled, cos x by sin x will change as cot x, y is equals to minus cot x. Now here dividing by sin x will get cancelled, you will have only 1 by x. So we will have plus 1 by x plus c into x sin x whole power minus 1. 10th problem, x plus y of dy by dx is equals to 1. So which can be written as dy by dx is equals to 1 by x plus y. If you write like this, we don't have, it is not giving any of this form. So instead of writing dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus y, let us write dx by dy, we will try this form, dx by dy reciprocal, dx by dy is equals to x plus y. Now this can be arranged and written as dx by dy minus x is equals to y. Now let us compare this one with the second form, dx by dy plus p into x, our p value is here minus 1 is equals to q, q should be function of y or constant. So q is equals to y. So now this is linear equation of second form. So for second form, our integrating factor is equals to e to the power of integration of p dy, p is minus 1, so minus dy which is e power minus y. Therefore our solution is x into integrating factor, x into integrating factor is e power minus y is equals to integration of q function is y into integrating factor e power minus y dy. Now right hand side integration we will do by product rule. So to do by product rule, we consider y as u function, e power minus y dy as dv function. So uv minus integration of v du, u y, v integration of dv is v, which is integration of e power minus y, which is minus e power minus y minus integration of v du, v is already minus e power minus y into dy. Now this will become minus into minus, here positive. Again we have to do this integration. First part is y e power minus y. Integration of e power minus y is again minus e power minus y plus c. So, x e power minus y is equals to y e power minus y minus e power minus y plus c, dividing throughout by e power minus y. X is equals to minus y minus 1 plus c e power y, or we can give answer as c e power y is equals to x plus y plus 1. 11th problem, y dx plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. So, instead of trying dy by dx, we try for dx by dy this problem also. So, we will get y dx is equals to y square minus x into dy, or dx by dy is equals to y square minus x divided by y. We can rearrange and write it as dx by dy, and it should be dx by dy some function of y into x. So, this is minus x by y. So, I can bring it left hand side. It will become, we should get some function of y into x. So, plus function of y, 1 by y into x. This minus x by y will come left hand side as x by y. So, I can write that one as 1 by y into x is equals to, right hand side should be q, which should be function of y or constant term. Here it is y square by y, which is y. So, function of y. Therefore, our p value is 1 by y and q value is y. Now, this is linear equation of second form. First order linear equation, but second form dx by dy plus px is equals to q form. So, our integrating factor is e to the power of integration of p dy, that is p is 1 by y dy, which is e power log mod y or y. Integrating factor is y. Now, solution. Solution is x into integrating factor. X into integrating factor is y is equals to integration of q. Q function is y. Y into integrating factor is again y dy. So, this is the integration of y square dy. Integration of y square is nothing but y cube divided by 3 plus c. So, x into y is equals to y cube by 3 plus c, or we can give this one as solution. X is equals to, dividing throughout by y, x is equals to y square by 3 plus c by y, or cy power minus 1. 12th problem, x plus 3y square dy by dx is equals to y. So, if I will try as dy by dx in this, we will get dy by dx is equals to y by x plus 3y square. So, it will not take any of this form. So, instead of trying dy by dx form, let us try dx by dy form. So, if I will try dx by dy on cross multiplication, y into dx by dy is equals to x plus 3y square. Now, let us divide throughout by y. We will get dx by dy is equals to x by y plus 3y. 3y square by y, 3y, or we can rearrange and write this one as dx by dy plus p into x. So, p is minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by y into x is equals to q function. Q is function of y, 3y. So, p value is minus 1 by y and q value is 3y. Now, we find out that we will find the integrating factor. So, integrating factor is nothing but e power integration of p dy, which is e power integration of minus 1 by y dy minus dy by y, which is e to the power of minus log mod y, which is equals to e power log y power minus 1 or 1 by y. So, integrating factor is nothing but 1 by y. Now, solution is x into integrating factor, x into integrating factor 1 by y is equal to integration of q, q 3y. 3y into integrating factor is 1 by y dy. So, y gets cancelled, simply 3 dy which is 3y plus c, or x is equals to 3y square plus cy. For each of the differential equations given in exercises 13 to 15, find a particular solution satisfying the given condition. Till 12th problem, we found only general solution. Now, we have to find out the particular solution using the given condition. Now, the first one, it is in the first order linear differential equation of first form, that is dy by dx plus, it should be p into y, 2 tan x into y is equals to sin x. So, our p value is nothing but 2 tan x and q value is function of x which is sin x. So, it is first form of linear differential equation of first order. So, integrating factor is nothing but integrating factor is equals to e to the power of integration of p dx 2 into tan x dx. So, integration of tan x is log mod secant x. So, e power log mod secant x whole square. So, which is equals to only secant square x. So, integrating factor is secant square x. Solution, y into integrating factor, y into secant square x is equals to integration of q function, q is sin x, into integrating factor secant square x dx. Now, let us simplify the right hand side, which is the integration of sin x into secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x dx. So, this is integration of sin x by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos x is secant x dx. Now, integration of tan x secant x is nothing but secant x. So, y secant square x is equals to integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c, or y is equals to 1 by secant x which is cos x plus c into c by secant square x it will come. So, c into cos square x. Sorry. Now, we have to find out c value in this. It is not general solution, it is a particular solution. So, we have to find out the c value. When y is equal to 0, x is pi by 3. Substituting y is equal to 0 and x is pi by 3, y0 is equal to secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 value is 2 plus c. So, which implies c value is minus 2. So, substituting the c value, y secant square x is equals to secant x minus 2, or y is equals to secant x divided by secant square x 1 by secant x which is cos x minus 2 by secant square x, or 2 cos square x. 14th problem, 1 plus x square of dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Let us arrange and rewrite. Divide throughout by 1 plus x square. So, we will get dy by dx plus, should be in the form p into y. So, 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equals to, dividing throughout by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So, it is the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q, where p and q are function of x. So, p is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square and q is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Now, let us find the integrating factor first. So, our integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx, which is 2x by 1 plus x square dx. If I consider 1 plus x square as t, 2x dx is dt. So, integration of dt by t log mod t, which is nothing but log 1 plus x square, e power log mod 1 plus x square, or simply 1 plus x square is our integrating factor. Now after finding integrating factor, solution, y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square, y into 1 plus x square is equals to integration of q function 1 by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 2 q function into integrating factor. Integrating factor is again 1 plus x square dx. So 1 plus x square get cancelled. We need integration of dx by 1 plus x square, which is nothing but tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x plus c. So y of 1 plus x square is equals to tan inverse of x plus c. To get the c value, when y is 0, left hand side will become 0, x is 1, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So c value minus pi by 4, substituting c value, y of 1 plus x square is equals to tan inverse of x minus pi by 4, or y is equals to tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square minus pi by 4 of 1 plus x square. 15th problem, dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin 2x, y is equal to 2 when x is equal to pi by 2. Now this also will give the first form. Let us arrange and write dy by dx minus some function of x into y, that is 3 cot x into y, this one is equals to sin 2x. So our p value is nothing but minus 3 cot x and the q value is sin 2x. Now let us find out the integrating factor first. So integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx, which is minus 3 into cot x dx. Okay, let me write here. So integrating factor is e power integration of p dx, e power integration of minus 3 is outside, cot x dx, so which is e to the power of minus 3 into integration of cot x is log mod sin x. So this is not writing properly, let me use green only. E power minus 3 log sin x, which is e to the power of log sin x power minus 3 or log mod 1 by sin cube x. Therefore, the integrating factor is nothing but 1 by sin cube x. Now the solution is y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor, we got 1 by sin cube of x. Y into 1 by sin cube x is equals to integration of q function. Q function sin 2x. So I can write it as 2 sin x cos x also into integrating factor, which is 1 by sin cube x dx. To simplify only I have written sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x. So 1 sin x will get cancelled. This is sin square x now. So twice integration of cos x by 1 sin x I can take, which is cot x, into 1 by sin x is there, cosecant x. Now integration of cot x cosecant x is nothing but minus cosecant x, outside 2 is there, minus 2 cosecant x plus c. Now left hand side y by sin cube x. To get the c value, it is given y is equal to 2. So 2 divided by sin cube x, sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 value is 1 is equals to minus 2 into cosecant pi by 2. So cosecant pi by 2 value is also 1 plus c. So c value is nothing but minus 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2, this minus 2 will come here, 2 plus 2, 4. Substituting c is equal to 4, we will get y by sin cube x is equals to minus 2 cosecant x can be written as 2 by cosecant is sin x plus 4. Therefore, y is equals to 2 sin cube x by sin x minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x. 16th problem, find the equation of a curve passing through the origin given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. Now first, in this problem we have to frame the differential equation. So we need the, first let us frame the differential equation whose solution is the equation of a curve which passing through the origin, and the given condition is slope of the tangent to the curve at any point. Some curve it is passing through origin, so it is passing through origin and the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point. Slope of the tangent, this is a tangent line at any point x comma y, this slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx. Slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at any point x comma y is nothing but dy by dx at that point. So slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of that point, which is equal to x plus y. So we framed the differential equation. Let us arrange and check which form this one. Is it linear equation of, we can't solve this equation by variable separable and even by the, I think we can solve by homogeneous, but we will solve, it is easy way to solve by linear equation. So let me arrange dy by dx minus y is equal to x. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, first form. So our integrating factor is nothing but e to the power of integration of p dx. So p value is minus 1, e power integration of minus dx, which is e power minus x is the integrating factor. Now solution is nothing but excuse me, y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q function. Q function is x into integrating factor e power minus x dx. Now let us solve this integration by the method product rule, this one. So by parts method. So I can consider uv as, let me take my u as u is algebraic function. So u function is x and e power minus x dx function as u is x and this is dv. Now formula uv minus integration of v du. So x into v, integration of e power minus x by minus 1 minus integration of v du. V is e power minus x, minus e power minus x. So it will become plus integration of v du. V into differentiation of u is differentiation of x. So which is nothing but dx. So again it is y e power minus x e power minus x. Integration of e power minus x is e to the power of minus x by minus 1. So minus e power minus x plus c. Now it is given that the curve is passing through origin. So to find the value of c, let us substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So we will get here x 0, y 0, 0 is equal to, again here this part is 0 minus it is 1 by e power x, 1 by e to the power of 0 plus c. So c value is nothing but e power 0 is 1, c minus 1 is 0 implies c is equal to 1. So our final solution y by e power x, I am writing y e power minus x as y by e power x plus x by e power x, I brought this x this side, and plus 1 by e power x is equal to c. C value is nothing but 1. So answer x plus y plus 1 is equal to e power x. While solving the problem, I said this can be solved even by homogeneous equation form. It is not possible. because we can't express this x plus y in the form of f of y by x. So, the given differential equation can be solved only by the method of solving the linear equation. 17th problem, find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 2 given that the sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point by 5. It is similar to previous problem. The difference is we have to find the equation of a curve which passing through the point 0, 2. In the previous problem it was passing through the point origin. Here given that sum of the coordinates, that is x plus y, sum of the coordinates of any point. We consider that any point as x comma y. Therefore, the sum of the coordinate x comma y, x plus y on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope. Slope at that point is dy by dx. The magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point by 5. So, this is our required differential equation. By solving this differential equation, we get the equation of a curve which passing through the point 0, 2. Now, let us solve this equation by arranging in any of this form and solve by the method of linear differential equation form. So, it is nothing but dy by dx minus y is equals to x minus 5. dy by dx minus y is equal to x minus 5. So, it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. P value is minus 1 and q value is x minus 5. So, integrating factor is nothing but e to the power of integration of p dx minus dx, which is e power minus x. Now, solution y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q function, which is x minus 5 of integrating factor e power minus x dx. Now, it is nothing but left hand side is y e power minus x is equals to integration of, I can split this integration, x e power minus x dx plus, sorry, minus sign is there in between, minus integration of 5 e power minus x dx, and this x e power minus x dx is again product rule. So, we will consider x as u and e power minus x dx as dv. So, by applying the product rule uv, our left hand side is y e power minus x, uv, u is x into integration of dv is minus e power minus x minus integration of v du, that is minus e power minus x into differentiation of u is differentiation of x, which is dx, minus 5 can be taken outside, integration of e power minus x is minus e power minus x plus c. So, we can add c still because one more integration is there, we can add c at the end. Y e power minus x is equals to, or everywhere we can write e power minus x as 1 by e power plus x. So, y divided by e power x is equals to minus x divided by e power x. Now, here minus into minus plus, again integration of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. So, this is overall 1 by e power x, minus into minus plus, but again I am doing integration of e power minus x, which is minus e power minus x or minus 1 by e power x plus 5 by e power x. Now, let us add c. Now, to get the c value, the condition, this is our required curve, equation of the curve which passes through this point 0, 2. So, now substituting the point 0, 2, that means y is 2 when x is 0. So, here x is 0, e power 0, 1 is equals to, first term is 0, x is 0, second term minus 1 plus 5 plus c, which implies 5 minus 1, 4, c is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. So, final answer y by e power x I can bring this side everything, plus x by e power x plus 1 by e power x. Let me keep the phi is equals to phi by e power x, okay, is equals to phi by e power x minus 2. So, taking LCM as e power x, y plus x plus 1, this phi we can take it here. This is minus 1 by e power x plus phi e power x. So, which is nothing but 5 minus 1, 4. So, this can be taken here only. So, which is minus 4 is equals to, this one is minus 2 into e power x. 18th problem, the integrating factor of the differential equation x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square is, options are given. First let us arrange the given differential equation in the standard form of linear equation. So, we will arrange this as dy by dx dividing throughout by x minus 1 by x into y is equals to 2x square by x is 2x. Now, it is in the form of dy by dx plus function of p is function of x into y is equals to q term which is again function of x. So, it is first form. Therefore, our integrating factor is e to the power of integration of p dx. So, question is only finding integrating factor. So, which is e power integration of p function is minus 1 by x dx, which is equal to e to the power of minus integration of dx by x is log x. Now, here base e this one. So, which we can write this one as e to the power of log x power minus 1 or 1 by x base e. Now, e power in log of any function is the function itself. So, the answer is 1 by x, C option. 19th problem, the integrating factor of the differential equation 1 minus y square of dx by dy, okay, let me write 1 minus y square of dx by dy plus yx is equal to ay, where y is between minus 1 and plus 1. That is for the domain it will come. Now listen, let us try to bring the differential equation in the linear differential equation form. We will check whether can we bring it to the first form or second form. Since dx by dy is given, let me try to bring in the second form. So, in the second form it should be dx by dy plus p should be function of y into x is equals to q should be again function of y. So, dividing throughout by 1 minus y square, I can write this one as dx by dy plus x term is my term, next term, and the coefficient of x term will be y by 1 minus y square. So, this is function of y. So, this is my p value which is equal to, I am dividing throughout by 1 minus y square. So, ay by 1 minus y square. This is y by 1 minus y square into x. So, our p value is nothing but y by 1 minus y square and q value is, q function is ay by 1 minus y square. The question is we have to find out the integrating factor. So, this is second form. For the second form of linear differential equation, the integrating factor is e to the power of integration of p dy. So, e power integration of p function is y by 1 minus y square is my p function into dy. Now, how can we integrate this part? Let me consider 1 minus y square as t. When we consider 1 minus y square as t, minus 2y dy will come as dt, or y dy will be dt by minus 2. So, replacing integration of y dy is dt divided by minus 2, which is minus 1 by 2, I will take it outside, y dy divided by 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square we have taken as t. So, this is minus half log mod t. T value is 1 minus y square, or we can write log of 1 minus y square whole power minus half. It will come as 1 by 1 plus y, 1 minus y square. Okay, let me replace first, then we do simplification here. So this is equals to e to the power of integration of this part, we got it as log of 1 minus y square whole power minus half, or log 1 by root over 1 minus y square and base e. So e power log of any function is the function itself. So the integrating factor is 1 by root over 1 minus y square. That is why this domain is defined here. Here the function is 1 by root over 1 minus y square, and the domain for this function is y should be between minus 1 to plus 1. So our final answer is 1 by root 1 minus y square, that is D option.